I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you guys doing? My name is Lizzy Love. If it's your first time here, you are highly welcome to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching my videos and for always coming back to watch. I really appreciate. So guys, today I'm about to prepare vegetable stew and white rice. I'll be using fresh fish. As you can see, I've added some Maggi, some curry, some onions, and I'm adding water. I already added salt, so I'm covering it to cook a bit. And now I'm about to grind the pepper and fresh tomatoes and some onions I'll be using. At this point there was no electricity, that's why I'm using this stuff to grind the pepper and tomatoes and some onions. And this is the leaf I will be using, the vegetable I will be using. Here I was washing it so I can cut it. This is when I was cutting it while the fish is boiling. Now I'm about to fry the fish. Frying the fish. So guys, this is vegetable stew I'm about to make. The fish is dried, so I'm trying to pack it out from the oil. Adding some onions into the same oil, into the same vegetable oil I used to fry the fish. And this is the tomato, pepper, and some onions. Adding it into the oil, giving it a good mix. Yeah, you have to stir it together a bit. At this point, if you want, you can add in tomato paste. If you don't want, you can also don't add tin tomato paste, but me, I like adding tin tomato paste when I'm making stew, vegetable stew. Yeah guys, this sauce tastes so amazing, so good. So I'm adding in some salt and some curry. So we have to cover it to steam a bit. And this is me. I went in to get some rice because we'll be eating this vegetable stew with white rice. So I'm pouring in the rice to the pot, to the boiled water, so that I can parboil the rice. Tomato stew is ready. It's almost ready. It's almost ready. So this is the fish stock. I like to add in the fish stock also. If you are using chicken, turkey, fish, you can do it that way, adding in the stock, the meat stock. But me, I'm using fish, that's why I add in the fish stock. So the stew is coming out nicely. This is our leaf, the vegetable that I'm going to add. So this will be the last process. So guys, if you are still watching to this point, please do well to like my video, please guys. Just hit the like button to like the video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Drop your comments at the comment section, guys. What will you like to use this kind of vegetable stew to eat? I want to know in the comment section. For me, I like to use it to eat rice, yam, potatoes, plantains. Like, I really love it with white rice. Yeah. So guys, drop your own. What would you like to use to eat this stew, this vegetable stew? Drop it at the comment section. Thank you. So our sauce is coming out nicely. Our vegetable sauce is coming out. I said vegetable sauce. Oh my god. Vegetable stew. Sauce stew is the same. Yeah, it's same. So this is me adding in the fresh fish. Voila, our stew is ready. Vegetable stew is ready, and this is the white rice. Everything is voila. So guys, our food is ready. Our white rice and vegetable stew is ready. Guys, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.